This is a bell work for Friday, October 27th. On number 1, we have 2x plus 3y equals 31, and y is equal to x plus 7. So we need to figure out what is x equal and what is y equal. So first thing I want to do is I want to substitute x plus 7 for y in this first equation. So I'm going to end up with 2x plus 3 times y, and y is going to equal x plus 7, so it's 3 times x plus 7 equals 31. Then I have to do the distributive property for the 3, and I will get 3x plus 21 equals 31. Then combine like terms, 2x plus 3x is 5x. And then we're going to subtract 21 from both sides. And we will get 5x is equal to 10. Divide by 5. And x is 2. Okay, so to get the y, we're going to take the 2 and plug it in for x in the second equation. So y is going to equal 2 plus 7, which is 9. On the second problem, we're changing from scientific notation to a decimal. So I'm going to look for the exponent, and the exponent is a -3. So that tells me I'm going to move 3 place values to the left. So if I move it 1, I run out of numbers, so I need to add 2 zeros to the front of the 3, and I will get 0.00371. On number 3, I'm finding the product of 2x plus 7 times 3x minus 1. So I'm going to do the distributive property twice on this one. So we'll start with the 2x. We're going to do 2x times 3x, and then 2x times -1. And then we'll do the 7, so we're going to do 7 times 3x and 7 times -1. So the 2x part, we end up with 2 times 3, which is 6x, and then 2x times -1, which is -2x. And for the 7, we're going to do 7 times 3x, which is 21x, and 7 times -1, which is -7. So we combine like terms, we end up with 6x plus 19x, or 6x squared. I forgot the square right here. So it's 2x times 3x, so 6x squared. We end up with 6x squared plus 19x minus 7. Okay, the fourth one, we're solving for we're solving for x, and we have x plus 44 times 3x minus 2 squared is equal to 0. So I'm going to split these into 3 pieces. We'll get x plus 44 times 3x minus 2 times it again, and that's equals 0. So what we end up with is 3 different equations we need to set up. So we're going to do x plus 44 equals 0. And we're going to do 3x minus 2 equals 0. And since these are the same, this one and this one, I don't have to do both of them. I just have to do one, and that'll be the answer for both. Alright, so on the first one, I'm going to subtract 44 from both sides, and I will get x is equal to -44. Here's my first answer. My second answer, I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides, and I'll get 3x equals -2, divide by 3, and x is -2/3. Alright, last problem, I need to do some translating. I need to translate English into math. So first thing I see is $4. So I have $4 is means equals. Then I have 2.5%. of means times, and then we have what amount, so we'll use a variable for that. So there's my equation. I need to change it a little bit because we never want to have a percent in an equation. We always want to change it to a decimal. So we're going to do $4 is equal to, and to change a decimal into, or a percent into a decimal, we need to move the decimal point 2 places left. So it's going to be $4 equals 0.025 times x. So we're solving for x. We need to divide both sides by 0.025. And we will get x is equal to 160.